We're doing a Little Haiti cleanup, starting off here in front of Toussaint Louverture Elementary School. You know, we have to start showing our appreciation, our love for our heritage, our culture, our community. And anybody can pick up a rake, anybody can pick up a broom, anybody can pick up a bag.
If I had given you one Bitcoin 10 years ago, you will have $60,000 today. You helped me clean up Little Haiti, and I'll give you one Little Haiti coin. 10 years from now, how much you think your Little Haiti coin will worth?
Don't forget to keep it Haitian. Alright, tout ba nous fait pour diaspora haïtien, pour culture haïtien, pour tout le monde haïtien dans le monde. Nous fiers que nous haïtiens.